What's good, everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to dive into something that every artist needs to have in their toolkit, which is color theory. No matter if you are a painter, a digital artist, a photographer, or any other form of medium in artistry, this is going to be a game changer for you because color theory is quite important. Alright, so let's break it down for you. Alright, first up is the color wheel. Now, if you don't even know what the color wheel is or have never seen it before, think of it as a cheat code for colors, literally to understand colors. Let's start with the core. Alright, so within the color wheel, we have primary colors, which is red, blue, and yellow. Now, you cannot mix these colors because they're the OG colors, but you can take two of these OGs and make the next level of colors, which is secondary colors, which will be green, orange, and purple. Now, secondary colors, they're straightforward. You want to do a little twist or get a little mixy, go on and take your primary and a secondary and see what that do, because that gives you a tertiary color, and those colors can be bomb. I'm gonna put you on game real quick to let you know that the best part changer of the color wheel is going to be color harmony. It is, just so you know. Harmony of colors is definitely going to be another game changer for you. Now, there are a few go-to combinations that make colors pop or flow together smoothly. First, there are complementary colors, colors that sit across from each other on the wheel, like red and green. It's high contrast, high drama. These combos grab attention. Now, if you want to go with like a little bit more of a chill vibe, I would say analogous colors. Probably butchering that word, but analogous colors. That's what's next. They are a chill. They give more of a chill type of vibe. So these will be like the blue green, the green. Those combinations give a smooth and natural type of feel, and also easy on the eyes, like very easy going on the eyes. Last piece of color harmony we have is triadic colors. I'm gonna let you know right now, this is the triangle of the color wheel. If you can make a triangle, turn it on the color wheel, those are the triadic colors. You get three colors, put them together, see what it do. It's probably a fave of mine. Another one. Alright, we are on to color temperature. Temperatures of color. That will be your warm and cool colors. Now, so like I said, you got warm tones and you got cool tones. The warm tones are going to be red, yellow, and orange. Now, these types of colors can bring the vibe of passion, excitement, bring all those. Now, them cool tones, I'm gonna tell you right now, they're gonna bring calm, peace, and a little bit of mystery. Maybe more mystery, depending how you're trying to get down. But that's what these tones are for. Now, next up is value and saturation. Think about this. This can also help you out in the long run. So, value is how light or dark a color is. So, if you want to add depth or dimension, play with the value. Play with dark areas, you can play with the light areas, but your art will instantly have more impact when you play around with the value. With the saturation, that is for more so intensity, so you can intensify your art. So highly saturated colors are vivid and bold, while you have desaturated colors are more muted, but they both serve their purpose, and it all depends on how you want to create. I said bright, saturated colors, those could pull the eye and feel intense. And when you have muted colors, those are more softer and sophisticated. So it's all about what you're trying to give versus what people expect. So before I wrap this up, we're going to talk about psychology of color, the way that colors make you feel. All right, this is quite important for our artistry toolkit. Let me say this first and foremost, colors do have an aesthetic, but the aesthetic is not the important part. It's literally the way that colors make you feel when you see a piece of artwork or even a logo or a sign. No matter what you see out there in the world, on billboards, any form of artistry, those colors are going to make you feel some type of way, literally in your heart. You will feel it. Trust and believe. Colors run the world of emotion. So here are a few colors and their emotions. Red. Red is all about power, danger, or love. Blue. Blue can bring calmness and even sadness. Green, that can bring harmony and growth. So every color does tell a story, and depending on how you use these colors will definitely tell the story and grab your audience attention and let them understand and read your story through colors. Color theory is one of the ways for us as artists to actually be able to communicate with our audience and tell our stories, and also tell other stories, as we have clients and customers coming to us to tell their story in different ways and forms. So using color theory as an artist, I promise you, learning this, understanding deep down into the arts of color, literally psychology, is going to help you thrive as an artist. So that's color theory in a nutshell. It ain't hard, but it is definitely interesting to learn. So if you're someone that is wanting to elevate, level up on their artistry, go on ahead, hit that like button, subscribe, put a comment down there. Tell me something. Tell me how you felt about the video. Let me know how you use colors. Let me know if you actually enjoy color theory or the psychology of color, because colors can go a very long way instead of just literally being a color to your piece. And yeah, so go on out there, get creative, go be inspired, do what you need to do in order for you to continue to thrive as an artist. And I will holla at y'all in my next one. Peace.